hold on tight. Heavy machinery at work here. Whee! No! Oh, no, oh, no! No, 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 no! Ah, dang it! Oh. Hello?
Did you drop this?
David Tobrik? I haven't seen you in years. So you've just been down here, huh? It smells.
No. I've been traveling the world with my friends having a great time. Look. Look at this.
Okay.
Also, look at this. Look at that. I'm a totally new person, right? Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Right?
Uh-huh. Yeah, I see you lost some weight. That's cool.
I mean, I used to be a fat piece of shit, but I'm a changed man. Right? I'm totally different, right?